Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to work with Gemini AI models inside Google AI Studio in this masterclass and beginner-friendly tutorial. Now, watch to the end to know everything. Now here the first thing is how to access the Gemini AI models in Google AI Studio. Now here to access it, here you will see Gemini 3.1 Pro preview. Here you can access it by clicking on it like this. Select the model here you can see and then click on the model like this. You can see we have selected it, you see here. Now here you can access it through here by clicking on this build here. It will bring you here. Here you can also see build your idea with AI model. Here you can use it to build an application. Here AI powered application. And here also you can also access the Gemini AI application by clicking on this icon here. You can see Gemini AI app. Here you can access it also by clicking on it here. Now here, let's go back entirely. Now here, how to create a prompt and test the AI response. Now here, to create a prompt and test the response, you can create a prompt by typing it here. Here also, you can give it an instruction, direct instruction for it to give you a particular information or for it to be updated, for it to search the web in order to give you information by clicking here. And then type the information. Here they say optional tune and style instruction for the model. Here you can type the instruction here. Also you can find instructions that you give to it and select by clicking here. You can see the instruction I give to it here. Here on this instruction here, I told you to deep search before giving out results. Here is the instruction I give it, the Gemini AI model. Here is system instruction I give the AI model. So anytime I ask question, it will decide and give me the best result. Here you can close it by clicking this icon here. It's automatically saved after typing it. So if you don't know how to write the system instruction, what you do is just open a new tab here, go to Gemini here and type this like this. And now here, describe how you want the system instruction to be based on information or what you want it to be doing or giving out as a result. Now here, let me type this. Now here you can see what I type here. I told it to write a system instruction that will make Gemini AI models inside Google AI Studio to use latest model to give out response result and think before giving out the result to make it original and relevant. You can see how I type it. Now here, what you do now here it's save fast. Select Pro here. Make sure you select Pro or thinking anyone, but the best is Pro. Make sure you select Pro and then click on the send icon here. Wait for it to give out the result. As you can see, it is generating it here. Now you can see the results here. And here, what we'll do now here is to copy this. Let me put it on vertical screen for you guys to see the whole instruction. Now here you can see the full instruction here. You can see it here. Now what you do is just copy the instruction here like this. It's here I'm using Chrome to do this tutorial. You can use any of your browser, but here you can copy it like this using your mouse. Now what you do now is to click on copy. Now here, go back to Google AI Studio. Here like this, go back. Now here, click on this system instruction here. And then what you do now is to click on create instruction. Now here, what you do now is to paste the prompt or paste the instruction here. You can see how I do it here. Now here, what you do now, you can see it have saved. What you do now is to close it like this. But you can also give the instruction a name. Here I will call it deep think. Let me type it. You can see deep think. You can see it here. Now close it. After typing it, it saves automatically. Now close it. You can recheck it to know if it is saved like it just by tapping on it. You can see here it says deep think. You can see here it's automatically saved. Now go back. Now here, type what you want to type here and know how it will generate. Here I'll ask it to give me the latest AI stock information. Here, let me type it. Now here, after typing, you can see here what I typed, the latest AI stock right now or today that is ranking up. Now here, after typing the instruction or prompt, what you do is just click on this arrow control here, the arrow here, click on it and wait for the results from the model you selected. And here you can see the results here. Based on the instruction I give it, in order to do a thorough research, before giving me results, it is not delusional, because I have tested this. You can see here, March 2026 here. You can see the result. You can see the link. To know if it's real, what you do is just click on the link. It shows here, and here you can see it is not delusional, or the information is not irrelevant. You can see it give us accurately based on information from the website. Here you can see here, if you want to get the best result from the model you selected, make sure you select the latest one like this. Select the latest one by clicking on it. Also, if you want to generate an image, make sure you select the latest one on image. Here you can see image. You select the latest one on image. If you want to generate video, make sure you select the latest model on video. Here you can see it as many as even the audio one. Make sure you select the latest model on audio. You can see here you can find a feature which is the latest model on board. Here you can select it by clicking on it and select it. If you want to build an application, make sure you select the one to build an application by clicking on this build here. You can see here, describe your app, and let's go Gemini AI do the rest. You can see here by typing it here. You can use voice here in order to describe how you want the application to be. So also here, to make sure you describe your instruction perfectly here in order to get the perfect result here. Make sure you describe your instruction perfectly here. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.